All right, people, check out the remote rev feature on the 2024 Mustang. This is definitely gonna be one of those where you either like it or you don't. It's neat for what it is, but me personally, I think it's kind of dorky. What you'll do, remote start the vehicle, and then it's going to get to a certain point, not necessarily operating temp, but the car in itself is going to need to get to a certain point before it will let you do the remote rev. So we'll go ahead and start it up. Do your remote starter. Obviously, you'll have to lock it first. Press your start twice. Now our car's already been running, but the key sequence on your key fob, you'll want to push the unlock button and then the lock button within 3 seconds. Okay, so that soft rev is telling you that remote rev is enabled. So to do the remote rev feature, you'll do the same button combination. Everybody at car shows is going to be like, here you go. Check out my exhaust by remote revving my 2024 Mustang. It's kind of neat, but like I said, you either like it or you don't. That's all we have for you today, folks. We'll catch you in the next one. As always, if you find value in what we do, subscribe to our channel, like the video, turn on notifications, and until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S650. Keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.